welcome to my video. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a face mask using items that you should have right in your own home. Very simple, easy way to make a face mask. So as we know, the coronavirus is going around, so a lot of places are requiring you to wear a face mask while you're out in public. This is just a quick and easy way to make your own face mask, and I'm not in no way saying that these face masks are like the N95 mask and are going to protect against the virus at all. But I am saying that if you need to go out and you're required to cover your face, some protection is probably better than none. So if you want to see quick and easy ways that you can make your own face mask using items that are right at your home, then continue watching my video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you're notified each time that I post. Okay, so you can use this method on several different objects that you may have in your home. You can use a t-shirt, you can use a pillowcase, you can use a bandana, pretty much any type of fabric that you may have. A scarf would work for this method. You are also going to need something to hold the face mask around your ears, so you can use hair ties. If you don't have hair ties, you can also use ribbons or any type of string that you can tie around your ears. So let's get started. For the first option, I'm just going to use a full t-shirt, and we're not going to cut any fabric or do anything to this t-shirt. We're just going to be folding it in half, and then you're going to be folding it again to create this face mask. And this is going to be a bulkier method because you are using the full amount of the fabric, but it does work as well. Once you fold your t-shirt, you're going to take your hair ties and you're going to put them on each end of your fabric. Now that you have your hair ties in place, you're going to flip the fabric over, and just each side you're going to fold over into the middle, and you're going to take the one end and tuck it into the other side. And once you do this, you have your face mask. It's very simple, very easy, and from here all you need to do is put this and install the hair ties around your ears to put on the face mask. So another option would be to take some fabric. It could be an old t-shirt, like I said, a pillowcase, a scarf, a bandana. Take the fabric and cut some of the fabric off. This is going to make it less bulky. So the more fabric that you're using, the bulkier it's going to be on your face. So depending on how thick you want the mask, you could cut more of the fabric, but I don't want it too thin. I do want to feel like I have some protection, so I don't want it too thin. So I'm going to go ahead and fold this in half and then fold it again. And I'm going to do the same exact thing and apply the hair ties to each end of the fabric and then fold it over into the middle. Tuck it into itself, but for this one I'm going to add an extra layer of protection, and I'm going to use a paper towel. So I'm going to fold the paper towel twice as well, and I'm going to insert this into the hair ties before I fold the fabric over into the middle. So that just kind of gives you a little bit more protection. So once you have that in there, go ahead and fold the fabric into or tuck the fabric into the other side, and then you have your face mask. And again, super simple, super easy. Once this is folded and tucked in, you can just throw the mask on. So this is me putting on the first mask. This is the one where I did not cut any fabric, so it is a little bit more bulky. So this is the first mask. And here is the second mask with the paper towel. It's not as bulky. It's actually a little bit more comfortable to my face. So depending on how thick you want your mask, that's how much fabric you would use. I hope this helped someone out there. Stay safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.